Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 to 72 El Camino bed molding kits by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These were introduced back in 1989, and you can purchase them individually or in standard or deluxe kit styles to fit your needs. Our standard kits come with the bedside moldings, the four-corner bed moldings, below the rear window, and top of the tailgate moldings with a complete hardware pack, while the deluxe kits include everything the standard kit does, plus the rear corner to taillight moldings. All of our bed rails are manufactured to OEM specifications using stamped stainless steel, complemented with die-cast zinc and bright dip chrome corners to complete your set. Quality is an understatement. We also include a RESTOPARTS stamping on the back of our moldings, so you know that you're receiving an authentic piece. Every kit is securely packaged using the best materials to transport your products. Installation is easy when you have all the correct included hardware, as each part snaps and screws into place just like the originals. You can also find these moldings on our 1972 El Camino SS. We featured this car at the SEMA show in 2015, drawing a lot of attention and being a favorite among many enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.